How long after drinking can you drive?
Again, it's non-specific. It's not scientific. People take chances and do it a couple of hours at it. But the crucial thing to remember here is that, again, we process alcohol, each one of us, slightly differently. You could have the same amount of alcohol today as you had yesterday. Yesterday you're under the limit. Today you're over the limit. You had the same amount over the same period of time, but the difference is you're slightly over, and that might be because you're feeling a bit under the weather. You didn't sleep so well last night, and those little things affect how you process alcohol. How long afterwards? Many hours, but everyone again is different depending on their metabolism.
How many units can you drink and drive?
There's no good answer to that. It's a very, very popular question. I get asked that one a lot, and there is no answer to it. It's dependent on, again, we're all different. We all weigh different amounts. Some people consume more than others. It depends on your height, your age, your weight, your sex, whether you've eaten or not, whether you've slept well or not, whether you're sick or not. There's no scientific answer, although people do look for the answer, and that I wish I could tell you, but there isn't one that will suit everyone.
How much can you drink and drive?
Well, again, the question we know rationally is that we shouldn't do it, but there is no scientific answer to this question because two different people will process alcohol differently. A very big guy and a frail old woman, if they have the same quantity of alcohol, he'll process it quicker if he's used to drinking more often, and because of his big body frame. The old lady will find it difficult or more harder because she doesn't drink very often and her frame is much smaller. So if they drink the same amount, she'll certainly be over the limit, or much more so than him, and for longer periods than he is.
When can I drive after drinking?
Many hours. As to how many hours, it's hard to say, but it does show how irrational people are when it comes to this area of drinking and driving. They'll always ask how much I can drink and drive, how many units I can drink and drive, and so on, but not whether I should or shouldn't. I mean, we all know we shouldn't, but people still look for some form of certainty as to whether they should do it. And well, you shouldn't. And as to how long, it's really quite hard to say. We're all different people, and we all process alcohol much differently.